Dorathy scolds Lucy, hit her with bitter truth.
If we're going to do something together, we should do it together. Your feelings aside. If you bring up a suggestion and they say no, no is no. Consent is consent. No. No means no. It's not personal, Lucy. It's not. And I feel like I need to shut up because
Dorathy had a few words for fellow BBNaija housemate Lucy and wasted no time in telling her. Dorathy, who is usually the jovial, easygoing BBNaija Lockdown housemate, lost her cool on her friend Lucy. Today, the housemates started preparing for their wager, and while they were at the dining table, Lucy alienated herself from the group simply because her ideas were not adopted into the wager presentation. This is usual with Lucy whenever she feels left out or whenever her opinions are not taken into consideration. Lucy, who has on several occasions confided in Biggie that she feels her fellow housemates always gang up against her and leave her out of group activities, walked out of the wager rehearsals and went to sleep when they called for a break. At first, everyone was cool with that until it was time to reconvene and Lucy was nowhere to be found. This got Prince and Dorathy angry, and Prince, being the first to react, asked Biggie to serve all the housemates strikes for being unserious and taking the preparation for granted. When Lucy came back to the rehearsals, Dorathy scolded her, hitting her with the bitter truth about her behavior. Dorathy said, "Lucy, you have to separate your personal feelings from the wagers. Whenever your ideas are not taken during the rehearsals, it is not an attack on you. Do you know how many times that my ideas have been thrown out for wagers? I feel like it doesn't make any sense. If you're going to do something together, we should do it together. Your feelings aside, if you bring up a suggestion and they say no, no means no. It's not personal, Lucy. It's not. I feel like I need to shut up because I'm not the head of house." Lucy, who was the offender, just sat down and sulked while Dorathy bared her mind. Some of the other housemates were in support of what Dorathy said because immediately she was done, Trixie said he liked what Dorathy did. Okay guys, this is the latest fight between Lucy and Dorathy. Please, what's your thought? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops.